Hello, welcome to BackToCoding. This part is in continuation of the previous part, so go ahead, watch it first and then come back to this video again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. In this practical, we'll edit the Hello Toast layout in XML. We'll also edit the properties of the views which we have created. Open ActivityMain.xml. First, examine LinearLayout properties. A linear layout is required to have these properties: layout width, layout height, and orientation. The layout width and layout height can take one of three values. The match parent attribute expands the view to fill its parent by width or height. When the linear layout is the root view, it expands to the size of the parent view. The wrap content attribute shrinks the view dimensions just big enough to enclose its content. If there is no content, the view becomes invisible. Use a fixed number of DP, device independent pixels, to specify a fixed size, adjusted for the screen size of the device. For example, 16 DP means 16 device independent pixels. The orientation can be horizontal, views are arranged from left to right; vertical, views are arranged from top to bottom. Change the linear layout of Hello Toast as follows. Second, we will create string resources. Instead of hard coding strings into the XML code, it is a best practice to use string resources which represent the strings. Why? Because having the strings in a separate file makes it easier to manage them, especially if you use these strings more than once. Also, string resources are mandatory for translating and localizing your app, as you will create one string resource file for each language. Place the cursor on the word toast. Press Alt Enter, Option Enter on the Mac. Select Extract String Resources. Set the resource name to button_label_toast and click OK. This creates a string resource in the strings.xml file, and the string in your code is replaced with a reference to the resource. Extract and name the remaining strings from the views as follows. In strings.xml, you can find your strings. Now you can edit all your strings in one place. Third, we will resize. Similar to strings, it is a best practice to extract view dimensions from the main layout XML file into a dimensions resource located in a file. Why? Because this makes it easier to manage dimensions, especially if you need to adjust your layout for different device resolutions. It also makes it easy to have consistent sizing and change the size of multiple objects by changing one property. In our case, currently there is no need of it. That's it for this video. We'll continue in the next part. Keep watching BackToCoding and don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.